Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first poem, and the name of the poem is A House, a Home. This poem is for class 6 NCERT book, and this poem is composed by the poet Lorraine M. Halley. So, first of all, let's know some fact about the poet Lorraine M. Halley. Lorraine M. Halley, as you can see in the picture, the complete name of the poet is Lorraine Martha Halley. She was an American poet born on December 8, 1921 in Saint Peter, Minnesota, USA, America. Her writing style is simple yet thought-provoking, as we can see in the poem A House, a Home. In this poem, she aims to make a clear distinction between a house and a home. So students, what is the poem about? Let's know about it. The poem A House, a Home is written by Lorraine M. Halley. In the poem, the poet differentiates between a house and a home. According to the poet, a house is just a physical structure made up of various non-living things like bricks, stones, wood, and glass. It has lots of doors, floors, chimneys, etc. It is only a building, but a home is a place where a family dwells. It consists of living members like father, mother, sister, and brother. In a home, there is a lot of love and mutual understanding among all the family members who love, share, and care for each other. So, students, let's start our poem. Stranger 1. What is a house? It's brick and stone, and wood that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys, and tile floors, and stucco and roof, and lots of doors. Let's see some vocabulary add. The meaning of a word is there, yard, and the meaning of yard is empty space in the house. It may be in front of the house or in the backyard. Eaves means balcony, and stucco means plaster, a beautiful plaster. Students, let's take the explanation of this stanza. In this stanza, the poet is explaining the ingredients or material used to make a house. The poet says that bricks, stone, and wood are used to make a house. It also has window, glass, and corridors or open space in front and back of the house for gardening, or sitting, or enjoying the vacant hours. Tiles of the floor, fine paints, roof, elevations of the roof, and many doors that give it a perfect look of a house. Thus, a house is a completely non-living. It is only a building in which no family lives. Stranger 2. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So students, this stanza is all about a home, and in this stanza the poet differentiates between a house and a home. How a home is quite different from the house. Let's find out with the explanation of this stanza. Here the poet has explained the nature of a home and what makes a house a home. It is the family members. brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, who together make a home. Their acts without any self-interest, their concern for each other, their wish to work for each other's happiness and well-being. Their wish to show love and care towards each other, towards one another, is what that makes a house a home. So, students, I hope we all have understood the explanation, the word meaning, and the whole poem. And now you are able to answer all the questions related to this poem and other activities also. Thank you and have a nice day.